I hate this so much. I really, really, really hate this so much. So the Valve Steam frame, the thing that going to be an absolute W and a great product by Valve. Yeah, that might be a little bit more expensive in a couple months than initially thought of. Yeah. See, the thing is, right, if the Steam machine came out at $700, or even let's say $600, $699, it wouldn't be an awful product. But because of all the prices being inflated and crazy and insane, it's an awful product because the price tag makes no sense. This is going to increase the price of the Steam frame. Valve has already said that they're going to eventually have to increase the price of the Steam machine because they only have, I believe it was 6 months of actual units and like RAM supply. After that, they're going to have to increase the price. And the same concept's going to happen with the Steam frame. It's not even out yet. But starting September 1st, sorry, it really ticks me off. Qualcomm has announced that they are doubling the digit price for Snapdragon chips starting September 1st. This is obviously the exact chip powering the Steam frame right there. So the price is, again, keep in mind with Valve, it's not like Valve is PlayStation. Valve is not PlayStation. They're not Microsoft. They don't have these lucrative contracts, these crazy big contracts with these companies where they're able to get, let's say, for example, from Qualcomm here, a certain amount of chips. They're not able to say, hey, we're going to buy, 5 million chips from you at a discounted price, and we're going to do a bulk order with that, right? They're not able to do that. They're pretty much like, the base on how they put it is that the source comes to them, says, hey, do you want this piece of RAM at this price? They either say yes, or they never come back and offer that same price again. So it's kind of like a here you go. You want it, you don't want it. Okay, cool, we're leaving. It's a mess. It's an absolute mess. And this sucks because the Steam frame's going to be such a good product. But the problem is, if you make it too expensive, it's pointless. The Samsung VR headset, that was way too expensive, was $2,000. I mean, it's a good headset, $2,000. The Apple Vision Pro, I own one of those. Amazing product. I love the Apple Vision Pro. I adore it. But the price tag is stupid. It makes no sense. It's not a product that is good because of the product price tag. And, oh man, this just sucks. I hope, something positive gets changed around here and I'm completely incorrect on this and this is not ends up what happening, but it sucks because it's just going to be a great device that's going to be hampered because of the fact of, again, the price is going up. The price is going up and double-digit price increase. So, again, maybe I'm doom and gloom. Maybe this is not going to be as bad as I'm making it out to be. And I hope I am wrong. I hope this is a lot better than I'm making it out to be. Because at the end of the day, all I want is to have these products when they come out, and they're such good products, to be successful so that it pushes the industry, it creates more of these products, and we get the best products possible as a consumer. That's really what all that matters at the end of the day, is that more innovation and more products out there. But when the price tag is just crazy ridiculous, you can't go ahead and, do anything about it. At some point, like the Steam machine, again, if the Steam machine was $600, I don't think anyone is complaining about the Steam machine at $600. You correct me if I'm wrong, but I think most people would buy the Steam machine at $600. At $1,000 some odd dollars, it is pointless. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Crazy times, crazy things going on. hopefully we get some positive news soon. Peace out.